You may have heard me talk about how easy pneumatics is so easy to program in, even my 9-year-old daughter could do it. Now, I'm not actually going to bring her in here to program on this because that would be weird.
Hello, I'm Emmy, and I'm here to help my dad with something.
So Emmy, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. And how many years have you been programming now? Is it, what, 6, 7?
Absolutely 0.
0? You telling me you've never programmed anything?
Yep. Haven't programmed anything.
Okay, let's see what you can do.
So I think I'm gonna have them start extended, so all of these little like rod things. So it's gonna start with them extended, and then it's going to go 4 down, wait a second, 3 down, wait a second, 2 down, wait a second, 1 down, wait a second, and then have them all come back up and back down.
Perfect. Let's see it.
Here is attempt 1. Everything worked, but Emmy realized she forgot to add the block to retract everything at the end. So, we used this as an opportunity to see how easy it would be to make additional edits to the program at the same time. I asked her how she would repeat all of the current blocks twice, then add wait and retract all blocks at the end outside of the repeat loop. Here is her final program, another minute or 2 later.
So there was a point at which you kind of understood the basics and you started creating your own programs. And it almost, to me, seemed like it was kind of a game for you, trying to figure out different approaches and different sequences to do. Was it fun, or was it like super boring and tedious?
It was super fun.
Yeah? How come?
I think it's just like a game, like you said. It's like learning to different levels, and if you know me, you know that I don't love school and learning and all that stuff. Except this, even though I was learning, this was super fun and I really enjoyed it. This was not difficult, like, at all. It was super easy, it's super quick, and I didn't really see any problems.
So there you go. Easy pneumatics. So easy, even a 9-year-old can program it. Admittedly, one with great genes.
Ready to go home?
No,
You not ready to go?
I still have, I just need to do this one thing. Hold on.